Welcome back to Alam PowerPoint channel. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create comparing slide in PowerPoint. This is good if you want to compare two different points, values, and perspectives of two things in a presentation. Alright, let's make comparison slide about Republican Party and Democratic Party. Because you guys are always arguing each other in social media, even after the vote has already ended. Alright, let's just get straight to the point. Right click, format background. Here, I'll change the background to just slightly darker. Now go to insert and then choose one PNG mockup design from your device. If you don't have mockup laptop design in your files, no worry, you can download it for free. The link is in the description. Now drag it to the right, make sure the central part of the laptop is on the edge of the slide. By holding Ctrl and Shift key, drag the cursor to make it bigger. Now go to insert and then select one picture, drag it to the top of the laptop. Now make it bigger by dragging the cursor while holding Ctrl and Shift key. Click on that crop option and then here I'll make sure the picture has same size like the laptop screen. Alright, let's click in preview mode to see if the position is right. I think it looks good. Now insert a circle, drag it to the left side like this. Get rid of the outline. Now insert icon from your device. In this slide, we'll talk about Republican side. That's why I insert Republican icon. Make it smaller and then put it on top of the circle. Now I'll change the color of the circle to black. As you can see guys, we still have empty space here. This is the place where we put the text. So go to insert, click on text box. I'll write Republican like this, change the font and then make it bigger. Here I change the color in custom. By the way, I already have my color prepared. That's why I'm just gonna paste it. You can use this color if you want. Go to insert again. Here I'll insert some text boxes. In this step, you need to insert some text boxes depends on how much the text that you want. Again, I already have my text boxes prepared in my clipboard. That's why I'm just gonna paste it. Okay, let's drag the title a little bit. Alright, slide 1 is done. Next step gonna be much easier. Duplicate the slide. On slide 2, select and block the laptop and the picture over it. Carefully drag them to the left side of the slide. Now, select and block the circle and the icon here. Drag it to the right. Select and block every text boxes. Click on align right, then drag it to the right like this. Here, you might need to drag the text boxes one by one so that it can be stand nicely with other text boxes. No need to rush, just drag it carefully. Now, rename the title text. Change the color to blue because Democratic is blue. And yeah, change every small title to blue as well. Click on the icon, delete it. Now I'm going to insert Democratic icon. And yeah, I think you guys know what to do. Just put it on top of the circle. We're almost done guys. Select and block every slides. Go to transition. Click on push transition. On the first slide, change the effect option to from right. Set the duration to 1.75 seconds. On the second slide, we also change the effect option to from right and set the duration as well. Now, let's go to preview mode to see if we do it right. Looks good, right? By the way, I have another pros and cons template in free version. If you want to download it, just check the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Thanks for watching.